Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to do copy trading on Bitget. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you are going to see this More tab on the home page. So you need to tap on More and then you will be landed on the More Services page. Now over here, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this bots section. In the bot section, you are going to see copy trading option. So you need to tap on copy trading and then you will be landed on this bots section. Now you can allow bot to do the copy trading for you, but if you want to do it on your own, then you need to tap on discover. And over here you will be able to find a bunch of different elite traders whom you can copy. If you want to do the copy trading in futures, then you will have to tap on futures in the top, and then again you will be able to see a bunch of different crypto traders over here. You can also do it in the spot as well. So you just have to select any of the trader whom you want to copy. After selecting it, you will be redirected on the next page where you will be asked how much money you want to add in your copy trading. So you just have to enter the amount in the USDT, and as you can see that the minimum amount should be 50 USDT. So you will have to enter the amount. You can even use this slider for Bitget to automatically take USDT from your account. Then you will have to tap on the copy button in the bottom. If you want to add more settings into it, then you will have to tap on more settings option, and you can make it as auto copy, and you can even adjust the risk management and margin according to you. So after completing these settings, you will have to tap on the copy button in the bottom, and this way you will be able to start copy trading in Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.